going on in this area. For better understanding, let's analyze its flow direction. We have main loop, coming from the top, and directed to the left. Then, another main loop, coming from the right, to the left. Also, we have a third main loop, coming from the top, to the bottom. These main loops define the shape of the form, and I need to keep them exactly where they are. The flow direction achieved by these loops is coming from the top to the left. This flow will direct the shadows and the reflection that happen on this area. However, we still have another side or edge loop that coming from the side to the bottom and interrupting the flow of our main loops. It is also creating a star vertex, which is a vertex that connect 5 or more edges. We have another star vertex on top of the surface. In fact, we have 2 of them. But they cannot counteract the tension caused by the star vertex at the top. The turbo smooth modifier can solve any star vertex that located on the surface. However, it cannot solve the star vertex located on a main loop correctly. This explains why we have this little bump of shadows or flow where the star vertex is located. This might be acceptable in certain cases, however, it is not acceptable in our case. We need to solve this star vertex in order to correct the flow direction. I will also solve one of those surface star vertices during optimization, and I will leave the other to the turbo smooth modifier. If you completely understand this, you will start to see things from a different perspective.